Another one of the greats has decided to walk away, man. Just this morning, Spurs forward Tim Duncan announced his retirement from the NBA after 19 seasons. Now, Duncan is considered by most to be the greatest power forward of all time, and he spent all 19 of his NBA seasons with the Spurs, leading them to 5 NBA championships. He was a 2-time league MVP, 3-time finals MVP, 15-time NBA All-Star, and of course, the Spurs' all-time leading scorer. Now, the former #1 overall pick surprised many by announcing his retirement today because he just opted into his player option for next season last week. So many thought the big three of Duncan, Manu Ginobili, and Tony Parker would give it one more shot at winning a 6th ring for Duncan, ultimately helping him surpass Kobe as the greatest winner of his generation and tying Michael Jordan. The quietest superstar in NBA history, Duncan has always kept a low profile and never seemed to desire the attention some of his peers like Allen Iverson and Kevin Garnett received. He'll definitely be missed, and I look forward to that moment where he has to hop on that stage and deliver his Hall of Fame acceptance speech. You can't run from that one, Timmy. Is Tim the greatest power forward of all time? Drop a comment below or tweet us with the hashtag BETBreaks. And for all things relevant in sports, music, and the culture, keep it locked to BET.com. I'm Rodney Rakai for BET Breaks.